Hello, this is Ask Michael Show, where you ask your productivity questions and I answer them. Let's go. Pora is asking, how to set repeating tasks? How do you use repeating tasks? So for me, the repeating tasks in Nozbe is the killer feature of GTD or of implementation of mind like water. The thing is, if you put something and like I have to do this and this every 1 month or 2 months or 3 months or whatever, it gives me peace of mind because I know that I've done it now and I will do it then. And I don't have to think about it anymore from today until that moment, because then Nozbe will magically, send me a push notification, will add this task to my priority, and will make sure that I get it done. So before using Nozbe, I used to forget things. I used to forget about payments, about bills, about putting stuff out, or filling out some things. I used to forget about these things, but now I have them in Nozbe. And actually, what I do is I just reorganize my Nozbe, so I have one project for recurring stuff, and I put all these tasks there. So I don't, and I know that this project doesn't need any review because these things are planned and they will happen when they happen. So I have this recurring project with all these tasks there, and it works very well. So anything that has a future date or is recurring, I add it there as a task, and then I set the repeating patterns. And now in Nozbe we have new repeating patterns. So not only every day, every weekday, or every 2 weeks or whatever, you can set a repeating task like every first Monday of month or whatever. So we have extended this. It works very, very well, and really gives you peace of mind that when the day comes, you will be reminded. You don't need to think about it. Out of your mind. Better.